What's up, Tech Kings? Dr.Fone here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you my 5 favorite iOS 14 features. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope everyone is safe out there. I have my 5 favorite iOS 14 features loaded up. But before I start this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Wondershare for actually sponsoring this video. So huge shout out to them. They're going to actually pop up later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. And they're actually hosting a giveaway for an iPhone 12. So definitely wait through the whole video to see more about that. Alright, everyone, so my first favorite feature is banner calling. As you guys know, if you get a FaceTime call or you get a regular phone call, it pretty much interrupts whatever you're doing on your screen. And we're gonna go ahead and call my phone right now. Wait for it right here. So it pops up as a banner instead of interfering with what you're currently doing. So I absolutely love banner calling. To actually go ahead and turn this on, you're gonna have to go into settings. You're gonna go to phone, go ahead and click on phone. Then after that, you're gonna go to incoming calls, and you can either choose full screen or banner. And as you guys see, I have banner right there. So phone, FaceTime, and other apps you use to receive calls will use the selected display style. So if you guys don't want your session being interrupted, whatever you're doing, I would definitely turn on banner calling. All right, everyone, so the second feature I absolutely love are these new widgets. As you guys can see, we have the weather, location, and we have our battery life right there. We're kind of running low. Now to actually add these widgets, all you have to do is go ahead and hold right here and click on the plus in the top left corner. And as you guys see, we have a ton of different widgets right here. I just want to go ahead and use this one super quick. So let's go ahead and hold this and put this right there. So as you guys see, so the long widgets you can actually have across the entire screen. These short little square ones you can only have on one side. You cannot put them in the middle like Android. So that's kind of a downside to it, but still really cool that we have widgets on iOS 14. Definitely a feature that we've been missing. All right, everyone, so the next feature I absolutely love has to be picture-in-picture mode. So all you have to do is when you're in YouTube, all you have to do is swipe up, and we have our picture-in-picture mode right here, and it can come out, and you can actually double tap it to make it go across the screen like that, and you can go back into full screen right there. So it's definitely a useful feature for iOS 14. I know that's another feature we've been missing for quite a long time as well. All right, everyone, so my next favorite feature definitely has to be adding pictures to any application. So we're going to go and add action right now. We're going to go ahead and choose scripting. We're going to go ahead and click open application. We're going to go and choose the application. So let's choose bird right there. And let's go ahead and click on the top 3 dots right there in the right corner. And let's go ahead and name this. So this is going to be called bird. We're going to go and click add to home screen. And as you guys see, we have a option right there to go ahead and click on it and choose a photo. And this is just as an example. Go ahead and click add. Go ahead and click done. And as you guys see, our application is right there. We need to edit the name, but it's really cool that we can change the photos of the application. I thought that was a really nice feature. And my last favorite feature of iOS 14 definitely has to be the new Newmojis. We can go ahead and add a new one. They have different skin tones and things now, so if you want to be blue, you can be blue, which is kind of cool. So let's go ahead and go down here. Let's go and click a few different things. And as you guys see, this is the new Memoji we have. Honestly, just looks like a Smurf. I thought that was kind of cool. But yeah, definitely one of my favorite features on iOS 14. All right, everyone, so finally getting to the sponsor of our video, which is Wondershare. First and foremost, if you guys do want to enter to win a new iPhone 12, all you have to do is click in the link in my description down below. And you can take this little survey right here and submit to win a new iPhone. But Wondershare actually has a new software that's 40% off. It's basically Update Insurance. So it will help you download and install iOS 14 on iPhone without any iTunes. You can also fix all iOS 14 problems without data loss. So you can fix things like black screen of death, recovery mode, white Apple logo, etc. Also, you can downgrade to iOS 13. If you guys really do not like iOS 14, you can downgrade. And you can get 40% off of this right now. We're going to go to the application, and I'm going to show you a few things inside of their application right now. All right, everyone, so we're finally inside the application. We have data recovery, we have phone manager, we have WhatsApp transfer, we have screen unlock, system system repair, phone transfer, phone backup, data eraser, and virtual location. What we're going to use is system repair. So it says repair iOS and Android system. So it says fix iTunes errors. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. Now that we're inside of this application, we have a few different options right here. We have iOS repair, we have Android repair, and we have iTunes repair. We're going to go ahead and click on iOS repair. And it says fix over 20 iOS problems such as black screen of death, stuck on Apple logo, and stuck in recovery mode. And then we have advanced mode where you can go ahead and erase data. It says fix more iOS problems but erase all device data. You can use this mode when you failed to fix iOS problems in standard mode. So we're going to go to standard mode. Now the next thing it's going to show you to do is before repairing, follow the steps below to set up your device to recovery mode. So it says turn off your iPhone and connect to your computer. Press and hold the power button and home button at the same time. Release the buttons until the screen shows connect to iTunes. They offer many more different services. If you guys want to learn more about Wondershare, go in the link in the description down below.